Hello guys, you are welcome back to this JavaScript series. My name is Abida Kontayenife, an instructor at SQI College of ICT. In this video, we'll be looking at ternary operators in JavaScript. Have this at the back of your mind that ternary operator is another way of writing if else. Now let's assume I have this variable a equals to, let's say, 5. Then I have variable b. Then I now say if a equals to maybe 5, then b equals to 3, else b equals to 7, so let's see what I have here. Variable a is 5 and variable b is an empty container that doesn't have any value. So here in line 17 we have it said that if a equals to 5, then b is 3. Change the value of b, insert 3 inside b. Else, that is, if a is not 5, then b should be 7. Then here we say console log b. What am I going to get on the browser? I'll get 3 because a is 5, and remember you can only do one out of these two. I told you that if this is 2, it will do this, but if it is 4, it will do the else. So if a is 5, b will be 3, but if a is not 5, if a is any other number other than 5 or any other thing other than 5, then b will be 7. So in this case, variable b will be 3. So line 22 we have console log b, so you see 3 because the value of this in line 18 we've set the value of b to 3. So check the console, you have 3. So for you to understand it better, let's change the value of b to anything else. Let's say 8, then you see 7, you see 7. So because if this condition is not true, then it means it will do the else. Good. Now let me change it back to 5. Instead of writing this long code, ternary operator helps you to write lesser code. We want to write the same thing. Let's see how we are going to write the same thing using ternary operator. This is how we are going to write this same thing using ternary operator. First, let me ignore this. What this means is if a equals to 5, is a equals to 5? Yes, then return 3. This question mark is like your if, why this colon is like your else. So if a equals to 5, return 3, else return 7. If a equals to 5, if this condition is true, then return 3, else return 7. So I can now have variable b equals to this. Whatever you return will now be saved inside variable b. If it returns 3, it will be saved inside b, and if it returns 7, it will be saved inside b. Whatever it returns will be saved inside b. So if a equals to 5, return 3. So whatever value it returns will now be saved as variable b. Then if it returns, let's assume this is 10, then it means it will return 7 because this condition is not so. So it will return the 7, then if you now save it inside b. So that's once I come and I say console log b, I will not get whatever value it returns. If it returns 3, the value of b will be 3. If it returns 7, the value of b will be 7. And this is if this executes, if this expression is true, it will return 3, but if it is false, it will return 7. That is ternary operator. So you can see 7. So let me change this to 5 so that the condition will be true. You see 3. So you understand how ternary operator works now? If this condition is true, it will return this. If it is false, then it will return this. It's another way of writing if else. So in our next video, we'll be looking at functions. Then after the functions, we're going to build a school grading system together. We build an application, a small application together using all we've learned so far. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of the day.